Alright guys, welcome back. So now we're going to start the front of the dormer. I'm sorry to start, we'll go ahead and going up, getting it finished, and working the sides, right?
Yes, if we can get both of the sides done, that would be awesome, but I doubt we'll get that far.
We'll see if it works or not. So I know you guys wanted to see a picture of Aaron when we first met. Well, picture this. When I was in 3rd grade, right?
Okay.
I was forced to read a book. It's called Sarah Plain and Tall, as the book was called. So that's a picture of Aaron right there.
Yeah, Sarah Plain and Tall next to Edward Scissorhands. You ready?
Oh my God. You're awful, you know what I mean?
You guys are going to be so proud of us. We finally did it. We got a real legitimate table.
It's all Harbor Freight too, nothing classy. Cheap, got the entire thing for under $300 of coupons.
Yeah. Next up, to keep it cheap, I'm going to go ahead and repurpose Josh's cat as a dead cat for the microphone. So we cut it back on that wind noise, you know? Clean you up a little bit.
Alright, so we're forced to buy a new saw because Erin went in a kind of a rage and she smashed the last saw.
They all know that that's not true.
She said, that's the wrong bleeping measurement, and she flipped the table over. So, it's a family channel. I can't say what you really said, you know?
Right. I'll buy a new saw, but can't buy a pack of pencils.
If you want to, I'll get you flowers waiting around the bend. Baby, let's just pretend. I wanna stay like this forever. I wanna stay right here with you. I wanna stay right here with you. As the rest we fall until it all breaks down. But I need it so I will stay around. When you're all messed up, it's a great relief to be understood. It's a shame still waters run deep. So let us walk right into the forest, to the trees and the rising sun. It is something we can't outrun. I do whatever it takes to hold you, whatever it takes to you. Wanna be in this game for two.
Alright, so we're getting ready to frame around the window. And we had about a 3/4 inch gap from the window to the framing. So we went ahead and put this piece in right here. We shot it in with some galvanized nails. We're going to go ahead and take the window glazing that goes in the caulk gun. We're going to go ahead and spread it along this side right here. And it's going to go butt up right to the window. It's going to give us a nice good tight seal around there. So that's pretty much it.
What are you looking for in the woods?
Heads.
Arrowheads?
Yes.
Cool.
Do you think of me?
gotta start practicing safety first. That goes against all safety regulations. Do you have a burn permit? I'd assume not, because you wouldn't do that to me if you didn't have a burn permit. Are you properly trained? No, I'm not. You use your hair full forward? Yes, it is. It could potentially catch on fire? Yes.
I have a permit through our YouTube viewers to burn that beard off your face. So, you can thank me later, guys. Today off by taking down part of the metal that we had wrapped around the dormer roof. Originally, when we put the metal on the roof, we were thinking that we wanted to go with the metal wrapped around, but once we got it up, we just really didn't like it at all, so we didn't finish the other half because we decided we wanted to go with the wood look like we were doing on the rest of the dormer and that you guys saw on the other side of the house. So now that we've got that down, we can get the furring strips that I cut up for Josh the other day, and then we will start getting the siding on.
guys, so we got the back side of that dormer done. We haven't started the front side of it yet, I guess, that goes towards the mountain. Reason being, we are gonna actually cut a window in. So we ordered that, it's not here yet. Once that gets here, we'll cut it in, we'll put it in, then we'll go ahead and start putting all the siding around that.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep. So easy project. It's kind of nice because you're really just like stacking. Once you get going, you get the angle right, then it's just stack, stack, stack. It was kind of funny because on this side, we lined up the joints, and remember on the other side we had made what we thought was a mistake and not lined them up, and then once we actually lined them up, we kind of felt like we liked it the other way better.
Yeah, that's what it is.
It's good either way, but it was just kind of interesting. So at least you guys will get to see, so you can decide for yourselves what you like better if you end up doing this, have them stacked or not.
Yep, and so Mother's Day is tomorrow, so
Yes.
Mom, happy Mother's Day.
Yes, we love you.
If you're watching. And the cool thing about tomorrow is it's going to rain all day. So we have a big hole right here, so come Monday, a great present for Aaron, so you can wallow in that mud all day long come Monday.
Yeah, so you guys think that I'm so tough on him, but like this is why, you see?
Nah, I don't know what you're talking about.
That's the kind
That's
of...
my present to my wife, so.
Exactly. That's the kind of present I get every Mother's Day, right? But no, really, happy Mother's Day to all of you loving, hardworking moms out there. You guys are awesome. So
Yep.
That's it. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.
See ya. All right, so we're gonna get into yeah, start the framing around.
One of those days, Josh.
I haven't had one of these days in a long time. It's called sexy.